I will show you how to replace a bulged battery on an Air 2S. First, remove the circle of 6 to 8 screws around the casing. Once the screws are out, open the upper cover. Important: start from the front where the logo is located. Be very careful, as there is a delicate cable inside. Pulling too hard could snap it. If it's stuck, use a small pry tool and handle it gently. If the casing is difficult to dismantle, try heating it up with a hair dryer to soften the adhesive. Start from one corner and gently pry it open. If this is your first time opening a new unit, it may require a bit of effort. Once you lift the top, you will find strong glue holding the internal components. Apply light heat again, and it should release easily. Pay close attention to the 2 small screws and the thin wires inside. They are very fragile and break easily if mishandled. The battery bulge is quite severe. Use a precision tool to gently disconnect the battery compartment on the side. There is strong double-sided tape underneath the cells. You must apply heat here. Otherwise, the battery will be nearly impossible to remove. Be patient and pull slowly to avoid damaging the shell or the bottom buckles. This is a 3's battery setup, 3 cells in total. After removing the old cells and the tapes, prepare your new battery cells. Lightly sand the connection points with sandpaper or a small tool to ensure a good bond. When installing, you must identify the positive, plus, and negative terminals correctly. If you reverse them, the motherboard will short-circuit instantly. Follow the prompts on the motherboard for the series connection. Solder the terminals one by one for a professional finish. Hold the joints with tweezers while heating to ensure the solder melts completely and creates a firm bond. Once the soldering is complete, place the new cells into the compartment. Apply new double-sided tape to secure them. Snap the components back into place. And tighten the small screws on the circuit board. Reattach the top cover by pressing it down until it clicks. The final step is to connect the battery to a computer using a communication tool like a CP112 or similar. Open the software, click Unlock, and refresh the data. You will see the original cycle count, for example, 121 cycles. Reset the cycle count to 0 and update the design capacity to match the new cells, for example, 3700 mAh. Save the settings and lock the data. Your battery is now successfully revived. Fully charge it and perform an outdoor test flight. With the new cells, the voltage stability and flight time will be as good as a brand new battery.